Have you ever wondered what makes the human brain so remarkable? The human brain is one of the most complex and fascinating organs in the body, responsible for everything from our thoughts and emotions to our ability to move and interact with the world around us. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the amazing world of the human brain, exploring 10 fascinating facts that will leave you in awe of its incredible capabilities. Get ready to expand your mind and discover the true power of the human brain. Did you know that your brain is more amazing than the stars in the sky? Well, it's true. Your brain has about 100 billion neurons, which are tiny cells that send and receive signals. That's more than the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. And if you try to count them all one by one, it would take you over 3,000 years. That's longer than the entire history of human civilization. Your brain is so incredible that it can't feel pain. That's because it doesn't have any pain receptors, which are small nerve endings that detect pain. However, that doesn't mean that your head can't hurt. The tissues and blood vessels around your brain can still feel pain, and that's what causes headaches. Your brain also needs a lot of fuel to keep working. It uses about 20% of the oxygen and calories that you breathe and eat, even though it only weighs about 2% of your body weight. That's because your brain is constantly active, even when you're sleeping. It needs energy to process information, regulate your emotions, control your movements, and much more. Your brain is divided into two halves called the left and right hemispheres. They are connected by a thick band of nerve fibers called the Corpus Callosum. This allows the two sides of your brain to communicate and work together, but sometimes this connection may be cut off to treat certain conditions, such as epilepsy. This means that the two halves of your brain can't talk to each other anymore, and they may act independently. One of the most important parts of your brain is the hippocampus. It's a small seahorse-shaped structure that helps you form and store memories. Without it, you won't be able to remember anything that happened to you or learn new things. If the hippocampus gets damaged, you may suffer from amnesia or forgetfulness. Your brain is also super fast at processing information. It can send signals at a speed of up to 120 meters per second, which is faster than the speed of a Formula One race car. That means that your brain can react to things in a fraction of a second, like dodging a ball or catching a fly. But your brain is not only fast, it's also flexible. It can change its shape and structure when you learn something new. This is called neuroplasticity, and it allows your brain to adapt and grow throughout your life. Every time you learn something new, your brain creates new connections between neurons. This makes your brain stronger and smarter. Your brain has more connections than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. These connections allow your brain to communicate and process information in complex ways. They also make you unique and different from everyone else. No two brains are exactly alike, even if they have the same number of neurons. One of the parts of your brain that makes you unique is the prefrontal cortex. It's the part of your brain that helps you to make decisions and control your impulses. It's like the boss of your brain, but it's not fully developed until you're in your mid-20s, which is why teenagers and young adults may have trouble making good choices or resisting temptations. Finally, your brain can do some weird things that you may not be aware of. For example, if you lose a limb or part of your body, your brain may still feel like it's there. This is called phantom limb sensation, and it happens because your brain still remembers how it felt to have that limb or body part. Sometimes this can cause pain or discomfort in the missing limb or body part. So there you have it, 10 amazing facts about your brain that will blow your mind. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Thank you.